Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of an eagle, a profile, and this will be a mix of pencil and ink. So if you have your pencils ready, this should be a fairly quick exercise. So we're going to just put in an oval like that and an arc right there, and you could guess that if I'm talking about a profile, that is probably the beak, that is probably the head, and from this point onward I'm going to grab a marker, but I would recommend that you should keep it smooth and easy with your pencil. So what we are just doing is some scraggly lines right there, and I'm going to stop somewhere around here. I'm going to do some more just like that. I'm going to come back in here and add that awesome beak. Now when we're talking about eagles, you have to understand that this is not just any other bird of prey. It has its own distinctive look, and that comes about right here somewhere in the form of a frown, that piercing eye somewhere around there, and then I would actually make the head a little flatter, but that is fine because angles and different things they vary, and there are different kinds of eagles after all. So basically just scraggly lines right there, and let us remember, if it is a quick sketch, it will be more or less a rough practice, and there when we begin putting in some details around these key areas, put in some feather, I'm just going to color that in just for effect. I'm going to color that in just for effect as well. I'm just using fade here because I intend to come back at another point and do a whole lot of inks on this guy, but you do not have to necessarily do inks. And as you see from here on, I would recommend that you Google some images online, and you'll see that there is a varying degree of effect when it comes to the feathers of an eagle. So I am using, for instance, a fade here, and this might, it doesn't have color, but it might resemble a bald eagle, or it could even be a golden eagle. And the key from here on is, if you have the feather shape down, then you could just fill in these evenly placed inks. I'm just fading it out, and so darker here, and lighter going down but darker under these second line of feathers right there, just for effect. So it will really depend on which eagle you have sourced. Just putting a little light there. So, and it will depend on how much feather you would like to show to come through in your illustration. But that is one quick way of doing it. And as you see that the strokes are mostly that, as we are going through that, there's so straight strokes. I haven't like curved them or anything. Yes, when I was drawing them, I was making sure that I was following a motion like that. Just, and that is a quick sketch, just putting down some random feathers. But you can make it more detailed, and it can be very, very beautiful if you put in more time into this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please do subscribe, hit and leave your comments below. Have yourself a wonderful day.